Greetings of the day. We at Rachna Sagar are pleased to announce the release of CBSE Pariksha papers. These are pre-board examination papers for 2020 examinations. These papers will be for students appearing for class 10th and class 12th, both for science and commerce streams. These Pariksha papers, as you can see, are designed exactly on the style, approach, design and sample papers provided by the CBSE. Now, what this CBSE Pariksha contains? It contains 3 sets of question paper: set 1, set 2, set 3 and an answer sheet. This answer sheet is exactly what a student will get in the final exam. The subjects covered under CBSE Pariksha for class 10 are English Language and Literature, Hindi Course A, Hindi Course B, Mathematics Basic, Mathematics Standard, Science and Social Studies. Similarly, for class 12, it will contain English Core, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Business Study, Economics and Accountancy. We are planning to conduct CBSE Pariksha starting December 2, 2019 and the last exam will be held on 16 December 2019. Now, how these Pariksha can be ordered? For example, if a school wants to order 100 Pariksha papers for 100 students, they can place order for 100 Parikshas. Under this order, we will be supplying 33 question papers of set A, 33 question papers of set B and 34 question papers of set C. Next day of attempting the question paper, we will be sending the answer on the school email ID, which will help teachers in evaluating the answer sheet. After the teachers evaluate the answer sheets, they will send us the topper of every subject. Like this, we will get toppers from different schools. We will analyze the results and announce 10 toppers per subject all over India. There shall be a meritorious certificate along with a cash award of Rs 2,100 per student per subject and also a shield for the school. We will be giving as a complimentary 1 Pariksha paper to the subject in charge also. We will be shortly sending a proposal letter wherein the details of conducting the Pariksha are mentioned. The date sheet is also mentioned under this proposal letter. The price of 1 Pariksha shall be Rs 72. There is a standard discount offered to the schools and institutes. Along with this letter, we will be giving the details of the order form wherein schools can fill the quantity and the amount and send us this order form. Along with the order form, we have also attached previous year Pariksha that was conducted in 2019 so that you can get an idea how we will be designing the question papers. The new question papers for 2020 will be exactly as per the sample paper issued by CBSE. Also, along with the question papers, we are enclosing page 1, the first page and the last page of the answer sheet so that you will get an idea what the child will get. You can place your order for Pariksha on 43585861 or 43585880 or mail us your order at order@rachnasagar.in at an early date so that the supply may be smooth. Thank you and best of luck.